Hello, another AQA Physics multi-choice question. If you want to try a different question in the series, click on the information card here. If you want to try the question yourself, pause the video now. Got the answer D, well done. If you didn't, here's my explanation. Which of the following is not a unit of power? So let's start working through these. We know that power is equal to energy per unit of time, so that means watt must be joule, because a joule is a unit of energy, and time is in seconds, so a watt is a joule per second. So there we go, C is correct. So let's have a look at these other options now. We know that energy is the same as work, and work is force times distance, so that means a joule is equal to a Newton meter, so I can exchange Newton meters for joules here and say that a watt is Newton meter per second, which is our option there, A, that's correct. What else can we say? We can say that Newton is force, and force is mass times acceleration, so that means a Newton is a kilogram, obviously from the mass, multiplied by the acceleration, which is meters per second squared. So I can substitute this for newtons in the equation above, and I get a watt is a kilogram meter squared plus seconds divided by seconds to the 3. So that is correct, and D is not correct. If you found this video useful, hit that subscribe button, share with your friends, hit the like button, and watch more of them in the series. Thank you.